All right, you've moved past the basics of algebra. Now you're becoming an algebraic detective. Your mission? To look at a complex jumble of symbols and see the elegant structure hiding inside. First, you encounter an expression with 4 terms. Don't panic. This is a job for grouping. Split the expression in half. Factorize the first pair, then the second. The goal is to make the brackets that remain identical. Here's the pro tip. If your third term is negative, you'll almost always need to factor out a negative highest common factor from that second pair. This forces the brackets to match. If they still don't, try rearranging the terms. Once you've grouped, your detective work isn't over. You need to scan for special patterns. You're already a master of the difference of 2 squares, but what about cubes? For expressions like x cubed minus 8, you need the difference of cubes formula. To remember the signs, use the mnemonic SOAP. Same, opposite, always positive. It works every time. But the ultimate tool, the secret weapon in your kit, is substitution. You might see something that looks impossible, like x to the power of 4 minus 5x squared plus 4. This isn't a new problem, it's 2 old problems in disguise. Just let u equal x squared. Suddenly, the expression becomes u squared minus 5u plus 4. That's a simple trinomial you can easily factor. Substitute x squared back in, and you'll find that both resulting brackets are themselves a difference of squares. This leads to the golden rule: factorize completely. Never stop after the first step. Always check your final brackets for any remaining patterns. This discipline of seeing a problem, applying a tool, and then checking again is what separates the novice from the expert. It's how you break down complexity, and it's the key to unlocking what comes next.